Here we go. We're live. Happy Friday, everyone. Brad Modrich, Jonathan Fodera coming at you like we said we would every Friday with Financial Fitness Friday. For those of you that haven't been following, I'm Brad Modrich, one of the co-founders of Trifecta Credit Solutions. And joining me today is my good friend, Jonathan Fodera from Integrated Business Financing. What's up, big guy?
What's happening?
Not much. Real quick before we get started, a lot of feedback coming back from the lives. A couple guys from our Arate group reached out to me, like, hey, they heard about the power of when we were talking about credit cards and the points yesterday, last week. And I know that we said that we were going to talk about it today, and we called a little bit of an audible. But I'm telling you right now, bro, people are listening. And we're putting out some good product, man. So I just wanted to let you know, like, the streets are talking, man. We're doing some good stuff here.
I dig it.
Yeah.
I dig it.
Yeah. So today we are going to talk about, now, obviously, I have Trifecta Credit Solutions, just aesthetic nursing. There's multiple businesses, that I'm part of. Jonathan is part of multiple businesses and investments. And today we wanted to talk about, because both of us, we are in a group, a business group called the Arte Syndicate. And we have standards, the way that we operate. There's a way that we do things. One of our core values, and you can see I'm at my home office today, excellence is like how we do everything. So today, I know there was a lot of business owners that reached out over the course of the past 2 weeks, and we're going to talk about how to manage your business the proper way. And I know this is a big topic to talk about, but it's something that Jonathan and I both feel that we do pretty good. We can take a look at our track record, and we have a pretty good track record. Even me, being an entrepreneur for almost 18 years with the National Health Club chain, and normally I'm not this braggadocious, but I'll say, like, when it comes to the fitness industry, I will go toe to toe with anyone in running facilities, selling personal training, and anything. So, like, I know what I did and the impact that I had. Um, it was a transition, changing over from being an entrepreneur to an entrepreneur. Like, it was big. I made so many mistakes, managed it, even with all my background. And I've had conversations with you, even earlier today. I made so many mistakes because I thought I knew. But then when your ass is on the line for everything, you really see things on a different level, like bottom line P&L type of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So we're going to talk about how to manage your business the proper way. I'll give it back to you there, big guy.
No, it's all good, man. I think that we could do several episodes on how we messed up, right? Like I got a ton. I have a lot more failures than I do wins. I can tell you that. But the wins exceed the failures in terms of profitability, obviously. And I think that's what we should cover next week because we'll be on here forever.
Mm-hmm.
But no, let's talk about, and this is just as it pertains to points, right? This isn't how to operate your business. Um, First off, every business should have a line of credit. I've preached that. You need one. Come see me. You just need it. You need it for expansion, growth, any opportunities that come up, and the oh shit, something happened. I got this big tax bill. I got this bill. You need a line of credit. All right, but we're not talking about a line of credit today. I only threw it in there because how to manage your business the proper way, have a line of credit, have your business credit built. Maybe we'll roll it over to 2 weeks from now, but
Mm-hmm.
let's talk about points because that's what people want to know about. And last week I said, hey, I don't remember the last time I paid for a vacation or paid for a flight. The reason is I have all my expenses set up on cards, right? So I know every month I'm dropping $12,000 on marketing for my lending business, another 5,000 for my gym, and then I have other miscellaneous expenses. Okay. So what I do is I look at the cards that I really like. I want to match my spending with a card. So I know I like flying JetBlue and Delta. Okay. I'm not at the level where I'm flying private yet.
Yet.
Yet, but it's coming. Um, so basically, my JetBlue card covers inventory for one of my businesses. My Delta card covers all the marketing for one of my businesses, and I have an Amex that covers all the miscellaneous expenses like CRM call, like any of that stuff. Now, why do I do this? Well, Amex has great points. So I just opened an office. This will probably be our last Financial Fitness Friday, me being here. Just open an office. And when you're outfitting an office, you need a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff pops up. Well, guess what? My points covered 90% of it. When I want to take my family away, we just, see what packages JetBlue has, see what packages Delta has, compare where we want to go, and that's it. Use the points. So the trick, though, and this is where people get caught up, is you have to, first off, it should be money you're spending anyway for your business. Just because you have a card now set up, you should not be spending extra. You're still managing to a P&L. You still want to be profitable. But if you know you can't get away from spending $12,000 a month in marketing, well, you might as well get the points for it, right? And then at the end of the month, you pay it off in full, and you keep moving forward. Basically, you're getting free money for 30 days. Actually, you're not getting free money for 30 days. They're literally paying you in these points and these rewards and giving you 30 days to pay it. All right. Now, where people get caught up, they don't pay it off in 30 days. And that's when you're coming to brag, right? So make sure you're paying it off in 30 days. Another really good point to this, when you're looking at cards, some of them have these rewards, like Amex. If I'm spending it on marketing with one of my Amex cards, you get like a 5-to-1 ratio up until you're capped out at a certain point. So obviously, the Amex should be your marketing card. So you need to actually dig through, read the fine print on these cards to understand how to maximize that value for your business.
Right. Super important to understand how the benefits can benefit you.
Mm-hmm.
And again, I have like I like traveling. We have a plum card for the spa. My wife is just she likes bottom line. She likes to save money. Not a big traveler. I like to travel.
Well, Plum, you get a little bit more time and you get cash back, or you get a discount if you pay it early.
Right, you get a discount if we pay it early, right? So we
Yeah.
pay it early, and then we're taking that money and it's just kind of going right back into the business. So it may in here, there's a lot of people, believe it or not, and I'm sure you know this just because you deal with the business financing. There are so many people that really do not understand the importance of business credit and how to leverage those credit cards. Jake Carlisle, one of our guys in Arte, he posted. We kind of connected probably like a year and a half ago, and just through conversations and connecting when he was new on the enrollment, and we
Mm-hmm.
just started chopping it up. And I told him about the Amex Platinum card. And fast forward, make a long story short. I don't know if you saw it in the group the other day, but he made a post. He's like, "This card literally has saved my business multiple times."
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like multiple times. He goes,
Yep.
because he's getting to construction and he's buying and flipping homes and he needs that available cash. It really does help. And on top of it, the points that he got from it, like he
Yeah.
was just like, I could travel anywhere, right?
Yep.
And I'm not, yeah, hey, I'm not going to sugarcoat it, bro. I got super, super spoiled traveling first class, not
Yeah.
having to pay for it.
Yeah.
It feels good to not have to,
It's it's
I
it's
think
crazy.
that the last flight to where I don't know where we went. It was my tickets out to Utah.
Yeah.
It was like $2,300. And listen,
Yeah.
we do really good monetarily. Like, can I afford the $2,300? Yes. If that
Yeah.
money had to come out of my pocket,
You would want to spend it.
I'm
Like
not spending
I know.
$2,300. Like it's not.
But think about this, right? That's $2,300 you could put back into your business for marketing,
Yep.
or $2,300 you could put into an investment, right? I just checked just for shits and giggles while we're on here. So JetBlue, I got like 127,000 points, right? That's a full trip wherever for me, my wife, and 2 kids.
Yeah.
And Amex, I told you this story. At one point, I had like 1.3 million points.
It's crazy.
That's insane. And Delta, I know I'm probably at 120,000 miles. Do you know how many flights 120,000 miles is? Okay.
It's a
It's
lot.
insane. Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
lot. That you earn that shit.
Yeah. It's definitely
So
earned.
yeah. So my point, guys, is like you can make your lives a lot easier just by setting these little things up. And this doesn't even really involve business credit as we were talking about earlier. That's a whole nother topic that we could go over. So Brad, we should probably be taking notes about, hey, really how to operate the business at a high level, business credit versus personal credit, because there's a lot of misconceptions there we can help you with. And then there was something else you had a great idea on, and I'm
The failures in business.
yes, that'll
Yeah.
be like a 3 week episode
Yeah.
because I got lots of stories there.
I'm taking notes, and it's so funny. We do our morning call. We do a partners call twice a week, Monday and Friday. Monday set objectives. Friday kind of recap the week. What do we got on the plate? So
Mhm.
we literally, I'm just putting this out there. We are in the preliminary stages for creating our business credit division. Like right now, we focus solely on personal credit. Myself, my partner Mike, my partner Dave, and my partner Tara, we just came up today. Like this is something we are going to attack.
Yeah.
So I'm going to vet out. My partner Tara has a trucking business. I'm going to do the spa because we do a lot of net 30s with the product that we buy. So
Mhm.
we are going to iron out all of the details, and I'm going to go down the rabbit hole with this. So stay tuned, everyone. We will come up with a very specific way on how to build your business credit profile, your Paydex scores, your DUNS number, all that good stuff. We're gonna really bring some nuggets to you here in the next few coming weeks. So I'm excited about this, man.
Yeah. It should be good, Ben.
Yeah, it's
It'll
gonna
be
be
good.
good. If anybody wants to get in contact with Jonathan, it's Jonathan Fodera. Now, the spelling, I usually have his spelling up top. It's Jonathan, obviously Jonathan. And then even though
F-
it said Fodera, it's spelled Fodera. All of his platforms. But if you really want to check him out, go to www.integratedbusinessfinancing.com. Check us out at trifectacreditsolutions.com. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to Jonathan. And again, you all know, do not hesitate to reach out to me. Some way, shape, or form. If we don't have the answer, we have an amazing network and we have an amazing team behind us that can help get you to where you need to be.
Absolutely.
Anything else, Jonathan?
Well, that's it, man.
That's it, man. Appreciate you. We'll see you next Friday for Financial Fitness Friday. Stay strong, be smart with your money, and whatever you do, don't. You know what? I got to say this. I'm sorry. This last bit. A lot of craziness in the world right now. Put your blinders on. Get focused. Stop
Yeah.
focusing on all the bullshit narratives that everyone's sending you, and put that energy back into your business. Because at the end of the day, all of this shit is going to be temporary. And the one thing that you
100%.
can't get back, the one investment you will
Your,
never get back is
your
the
time.
time
Your
you
time.
you spent focusing on bullshit.
Yep.
Okay, get to work. Put your blinders on. Put one foot in front of the other. And Jonathan and I will see you next Friday about 10:30.
Take care.
Love you guys. Peace.